Hi everyone, today I am giving an explanation on the topic type 2 diabetes. This is the second type of the diabetes. Let's move to its description. It occurs when our body becomes resistant to insulin and sugar builds in your blood. Now in this case of diabetes, insulin is not properly produced by our cells. Okay, about 80 to 90% of the people have this type of diabetes. Due to our cells are not properly producing the insulin, then the patient have to take the insulin from the outside, and it is the very most common type of the diabetes. Next one, symptoms are tiredness, increased thirst, more thirst is there than the normal, sores, slow to heal. If any wound or injury occurs, then it becomes very slow to heal. Increased urination, more urination is there, and it occurs during the night time. Blurry vision is there, and sometimes the patient become low vision patient. Causes: carrying extra weight. If we have the extra weight carrying in your belly, then it becomes make our cells more resistant to affect the insulin on your blood. Okay, so it will stop or it will affect the amount of the insulin a lot. Being overweight or obese increase the risk too. If we have obese or carrying extra weight or being overweight, then type 2 diabetes risk becomes more. Combination of genes: while taking birth or giving birth, the genes of the patient get transferred to the children. So combination of genes also become a reason for the type 2 diabetes. And lifestyle factors: eating junk food, fast food or unhealthy balanced diet becomes also a reason to be cause the type 2 diabetes in the future. Risk factors: if you are overweight, if you have the overweight, then there is a risk. If your age is 45 or older, have a parent or sibling with this condition. If we aren't physically active, means we are not taking proper exercise. Having gestational diabetes is a kind of diabetes which a mother occurs before giving the birth to their offspring. Having pre-diabetes is a kind of diabetes which occurs to a patient in the early ages, in between 30 to 40 years of age. Having high BP or increase the risk of stroke. Next one is complications. High blood sugar damage organs and tissues throughout the body. Different organs gets damaged. This one is the complication, like eyes, kidneys, heart, etc. The higher blood sugar is and the longer you live with, greater the risk of complication is there. How old your diabetes is: if it is 10 years old or 20 years or more, complications are there because it will damage the organs. Due to, if it affects our eyes, then it will, we can say that it is diabetic retinopathy. The retina gets affected or retina gets damaged due to diabetes. Okay, so different organs it will affect. Treatment: diet and exercise can help some people to manage this type of diabetes. If we take healthy diet and do proper exercise, then it will help some people to manage their diabetes. If lifestyle changes, means we are taking balanced diet also and we are doing proper exercise, if it will not enough to lower our blood sugar, then we need to take the medications. We take the medicines. Some kinds of drugs are alpha glucosidase inhibitors, biguanides, and DPP4 inhibitors. This type of drugs we have to take. Diabetes and diet. Healthy eating is a central part of managing diet. More central part of the managing diabetes is to take only healthy eating. Eating the right foods can control the blood sugar, or it will also help us to lose our weight. Carb counting is an important part of eating. We have to count the carbohydrates we are taking. In this case, dietitian will help you. Tips on diet: in order to keep our blood sugar level steady, try to eat in a smaller meals. We have to eat in a smaller portions. Emphasize healthy foods as fruits we have to take, vegetables we have to take, whole grains. Lean protein means fat free protein such as fish and poultry. Healthy fats such as olive oil, we have to cook food in the olive oil. Next one, prevention: get at least 150 minutes per week. We have to do aerobic exercise such as walking or cycling 150 minutes in a week. Eat more fruits, more vegetables and whole grains. We have to eat in a smaller portions only. This was the end of the type 2 diabetes. Thanks for your patience listening.